I want to show you some of the photo editing features in PowerPoint 2010. Some of these are available in earlier versions, but many are not. I have a picture here of some leaves. I did insert clip art and I did a search for leaves and I found this one which I liked. I'm going to right click and send it to the back. But I think, although it's a pretty photograph, I think it stands out too much. It's distracting. So I'd like to make it a little less bright. With the picture selected, click Format, and the features that I'm going to discuss are in this section here called Adjust. The first one is called Corrections, and there's brightness and contrast, so I could make it darker, for example. Something like this might be, something like this might work, and then I would probably use white text against it. Another option that I like to use a lot is this soften feature. So here is the normal 0% sharpening. You can actually sharpen it, but I can also blur it a little bit, soften it. And I happen to like that effect, so I'll use that. In the color section, I can change the saturation, so I can get rid of it and basically make it grayscale, or increase the saturation to make it even brighter. I can also change the color tone. This is measured in temperature. This is a pretty subtle difference, so I don't usually use it. You can see this is tempered down a little bit. Maybe that would work for me. Now, another thing that you can do is you can colorize the picture, which means making it all shades of one color. It kind of looks like the leaves are gray and there's a semi-transparent rectangle on top of it, and in fact you can create this effect that way with earlier versions. But I happen to like this one, and then I would use the dark text with it instead of light text. Now, of course, this changes the photo quite a bit. It's not orange anymore. And then finally, there are artistic effects. There are a number of them. This one is called Chalk Sketch. This one is called Paintbrush. This one is called Glow Diffused. You can see how faint it makes it. And you should try all of them. For example, this one down here is called Glow Edges. This one is called Photocopy. So you just have to pick one that you like. I think I kind of like this one, which is Glow Diffused. Anytime you decide that you don't like it, I'm going to duplicate the slide here. You can reset the picture and get your original picture back. So you can see you can take almost any picture and make it look very different from the original photograph and make it suitable for a background or a fill pretty easily. These new features give you a lot of flexibility right within PowerPoint so that you don't have to go outside to an image editing program.